It's 7:48 a.m. and today I'm eating 4 grilled cheese with some chiles de vinagre. A comer. Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. Si tú no le muerdes, yo le muerdo. I didn't even mention the carrots. And I haven't eaten in 14 hours. I made these grilled cheese with some butter. If only you could see that steam. Grilled cheese with a carrot. That's a good grilled cheese. That's some good grilled cheese. The chiles de vinagre help it not be so dry. And if anything, it helps digest this bread. Puro pan, de una vez regáñame. Motherfucker squirting. Last bite. Peace.